lesson, we're going to talk about the unary operator. The unary operators require only one operand. So they perform various operations, such as incrementing and de-incrementing a value by 1, negating an expression, or inverting the value of a Boolean. You can see how important that would be. So let's have a look at these operations, shall we? Well, there's the plus. So this is the unary plus operator. Now it's used for giving positive values, match. But it's only used when deliberately converting a negative value to a positive. And this is the unary minus operator. And it's used for negating the values. Double negatives, So, the increment operator, a plus plus, it increments the value by 1. Minus minus, the decrement operator, it decrements the value by 1. And the exclamation mark. So this is a logical complement operator. It inverts the value of a Boolean. So why don't I show you a few examples of unary operators in Android Studio, and you'll see how useful they really are. So first off, I want to create a new Kotlin file. So I'll right-click on the package name and select the new Kotlin file option. After selecting the file option here, I just determine the file name as unary operator, hit enter. Okay, so now I've got to create the main method. Right main and select the main A option here, hit enter, and that way the main method gets created. Alright, so why don't we start the code? Let's declare two variables. First off, a number with double type and assign 7.6. Second is check with Boolean type and assign true. And now in the first print method, we're going to use the unary plus operator. So let's copy the print method and paste it 4 times. And for the second print method, we can use the unary minus operator. Third print method, we'll use the increment operator. Fourth print method, we'll use the decrement operator. And for the last print method, we'll use the logical complement operator. Alright, so that's that. Let's run the code. Now remember, the value of the number variable was 7.6. So what do you see in the console? Plus number equals 7.6, so there's no change. Minus number equals minus 7.6, so it inverts the sign of a number variable. Plus plus number equals 8.6, so it has incremented the value by 1. Minus minus number equals 7.6, decrements the value by 1. Not is check equals false. So the first value of is check was true, remember? So this inverts the value of a Boolean. Now in Kotlin, we can also use a plus plus and minus minus operator as both prefix and suffix. However, there is a significant difference while using increment and decrement operators for prefixes and suffixes. So let me just show you by example. So I want to declare a variable result with the double type and assign 4.7 to it. Now in the first print method, we use the increment operator as a suffix and write result plus plus. And in the second method, we'll write the result. And for the third method, let's use the increment operator as a prefix and write plus plus result. And for the last print method, we'll write only the result again. All right, so that's all of that. Let's run the code and see the results in the console. See, so when the first print is executed, the original value is evaluated first. The result is increased only after that. First, the result variable, that is 4.7, printed to the console. And afterwards, increased the result value. So we got 4.7 as an output. Also, the result value is 5.7 now. So when the second print gets executed, the increased value, 5.7, is printed. However, when the third print is executed, the result is increased by 1 first before it's printed on the console, yeah? So the value of 5.7 increases by 1, and the new value of the result variable becomes 6.7. You follow? So then the value of the result variable is printed to the console like that. And of course, when the last print is executed, 6.7 gets printed. All right, so very quickly and very simply, those are the unary operators that we use in Kotlin. So we'll take a short break here, and in the next video, we're going to learn about equality and relational operators. Okay, so I'll see you then.